So, nagbisita iglesia kami. So, 7 church dito sa First District of Albay yung binisita namin. So, this is San Lorenzo Chapel. Dito lang yan sa barangay namin. Sad lang kasi sarado siya ngayon. Usually linggo lang kasi or Sunday lang to ino-open. Okay, kasi may mas malaking simbahan kasi and under to ng St. John the Baptist. Say hi. This is Mount, ano ito? Our Lady of Mount Carmel. So, this is located in Malilipot. Our next stop is San Jose Parish here in Malilipot, Albay. So, kino-construct pa lang siya. Okay, this is the next church that we visit. Ayan. So, by the way, this is St. John Nepomucene Parish. This is located in Pakakay, Albay. Ayan. So, nagsindi lang ako dyan ng kandila. Ayan. So, nagpray lang. This is our next stop, Saint Anthony de Padua Parish. So this is located in San Antonio, Albay. So dito po kami kinasal ng asawa ko. So it was 11 years ago na. Almost 11 years ago. Okay? So ayan. So ito talaga yung parokya namin nung nakatira pa ako sa Oson. Okay, next na binisit namin after St. Anthony, ito naman na San Vicente Ferrer. Okay, so this is located in San Vicente, Tabaco City, Albay. So dito kami namamanata every first Friday kasi maraming nagpatunay na parang naghihimala talaga si Senior San Vicente. Okay? So pag first Friday dito guys, madami talagang tao. So, ito yung St. John the Baptist. So, pang last siyang church, pang 7 na binisita namin. Ayan. So, masyadong malaking simbahan to. Ito yung pinakamalaki sa Tabaco.